The Truck Accident Lawyers Group in Garden City, Kansas, is expanding its legal services to include livestock crashes. The Truck Accident Lawyers Group is enhancing its legal offers in Garden City, Kansas, by addressing livestock crashes. Their attorneys use combination of legal expertise, investigative skills, to secure the best outcomes. The firm aims to ensure clients receive fair compensation by meticulously preparing each case. This holistic approach underscores dedication advocating for rights of those affected by agricultural accidents. The Truck Accident Lawyers Group in Garden City, Kansas, now offers legal services for livestock crash victims. Their attorneys bring extensive experience in grain, truck, and farm equipment injury cases. Click the link in the description to find out more.